I can remember it like it was yesterday, sitting on my porch just as I did every night, 30 minutes before bed, thinking about plans for the next day, and of course, checking to see if I had any matches or messages on Bumble come through. And then there it was, a match and a message from you. I remember the feelings, excited, nervous, drawn in. Something was different, but in all the best ways.
Alexander Michael Leesom. That is the last time I will say your name before I have the same last name. How crazy is that? There's no way in hell I would have believed you if you told me on our first date I would be marrying you in 5 years. But hey, look what we're doing today, and look where we're doing it today. All right, you can turn around now, babe.
Oh my gosh, you look amazing. I love this.
Yeah, you look so fancy right now.
When I met you, my values, my morals, my spirit, and the healthy direction I so wanted suddenly became a huge focus in my life. I will always love you for that, and my successes are in so many ways because of you.
You're the person I want to come home to, and the person I want to share everything with. I will do anything for you. You're my best friend, and the one person that knows me better than I know myself.
You have lifted me up at some very low points, helped me to never settle for anything less than finding happiness, purpose, and peace.
You're the goofiest, sexiest dog dad I have ever met. And you are the one person I can't live without. I love the life we've created, and I can't wait to get started on this next chapter. The one that has been 5 years in the making, and the one where I get to call you my husband.
All this to say that without you, I would not be where I am or who I am today. I love you and am grateful for you with every bit of my heart. Nothing could make me happier than the prospect of spending the rest of my life with you.